Right, so we seem to be getting better results when training for longer, essentially 60 epochs instead of the original 30. Yeah, we get to a test accuracy of 95%. And we have our confusion matrix, looks pretty good. We have 0 false positives and only 3, well, it's not only, it's just 3 false negatives. And these are some of those are the 3 examples. So this actually looks pretty good. Question is, so what happens if we train even a bit longer? Should we go 100 epochs? That's just it does look like it will yield better results. Yeah, so this is it again. Just 3 false negatives. So it's almost, yeah, 95% overall. The model size is 71 megabytes. Training per epoch. So that's how many seconds. So it's like 100 seconds. Just a minute of training and we can potentially get better results. So it's definitely worth trying it out. Just go for it and you can watch live while we train, or me playing some music. While we train, we play some music, and eventually we'll publish it all on the site. Hopefully we'll deploy something useful today or this week, or maybe tomorrow. Yeah, we normally deploy Fridays, so we're developing for the whole week, and then looks like we'll have something useful to deploy later today or tomorrow. Yeah, so we halfway through. You can play some more music if you like, because training is so much fun. You don't actually have to do anything. The machine does everything for you. Yeah, so getting 96.6. Haven't quite saturated yet. So the model accuracy did saturate after about 30 epochs. Could be, oh, it's actually stopped at 70. And why? Well, it's we have the early stopping enable. Yeah, so that's the model accuracy, model loss, and that's confusion matrix. We still have 2 false positives. Sorry, false negatives, 0 false positives and 2 false negatives, so we can actually see what they are. So the true label is seizure, but the prediction was non-seizure. I can see something in there, but yeah, there's not much in here. I don't know why this chart is a bit funny. Should be just saving it as image. That's probably the best results we got so far. The settings where it's actually stopped after 70 epochs instead of going to the full 100. Just okay, I guess. Augmentation still false, shuffling is on. Yeah, I just don't particularly like this image should be scaling or something. Yeah, we'll sort it out in the paper. So we'll essentially be publishing it. We get 2 false negatives out of 30. Overall performance of 96.6. Training accuracy 82, validation accuracy 93. Training loss 0.4, validation loss 0.35. And it took 0.6 of a second per epoch to train. The model size is 71 megabytes. So I think we are done. Should we run it a couple times? Well, I mean, that's what the epochs are for, because it essentially is running it multiple times, isn't it? But yes, we can do it again while publishing. Every time we run, we get the log for the run with the date and time. That's kind of nice. Let's give it to the board. We want to our little assistant